Good afternoon, Lisa. How are you today?
Good afternoon, John. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kampong Phnom province in Cambodia.
About your house. How many rooms are there in your house? What are they?
There are 5 rooms in my house, such as a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom and 2 bedrooms.
What's your favorite room in your house? Why?
My favorite room in my house is bathroom, because we can go to the toilet there. We can take a bath and we can wash our clothes.
Could you tell me about your bathroom?
Certainly. There are a lot of things in my bathroom, such as toothpaste, toothbrush, mirror, towel, toilet, bath, shower, sink, soap, shampoo, brush, washing machine and comb.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now. Bye.
Me too. Bye. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like, and share.